everyone, for what values of x does our series converge absolutely and conditionally, and also find the interval of convergence? All right, we're going to use the ratio test here. I know this is hard to see. For absolute convergence, we want our limit as n approaches infinity of the absolute value of a sub n plus 1 divided by a sub n. All right, and the limit has to be less than 1 to be absolutely convergent, greater than 1 to be convergent, and equals 1. You have to do another test to see if it's convergent or divergent. So let's go ahead and substitute in what we have. We're going to use the ratio test and look at the limit as n approaches infinity. Now basically when you take the absolute value of negative 2 to the nth power, that's just going to be 2. So you're going to have 2 to the power of n plus 1 times n plus 2 times absolute value of x minus 1 to the power of n plus 1. And we're dividing by our original 2 to the power of n times n plus 1 times absolute value of x minus 1 to the power of n. Now this can be, let's simplify this really quickly. This right here is 2 to the nth times 2 divided by 2 to the nth. Then this part right here is just going to be absolute value of x minus 1 to the power times x minus 1 to the power of n divided by absolute value of x minus 1 to the n. So just for that part right there, these cancel and these cancel, and we still have this. So you're going to get, basically, I'm going to pull this out because we're taking the limit of n. So we have 2 times absolute value of x minus 1 times the limit as n approaches infinity of n plus 2 divided by n plus 1. The degrees are the same here, so basically this is just going to equal 1. So our limit equals 2 times absolute value of x minus 1. Now the series converges absolutely when absolute value of x minus 1 is less than 1/2. It diverges when absolute value of x minus 1 is greater than 1/2. And if absolute value of x minus 1 equals 1/2, this is going to diverge. Remember, it's inconclusive, but it diverges because it's different from 0. So for absolute convergence, we're going to take absolute value of x minus 1 is less than 1/2. So by definition, this means absolute value of x minus 1 is less than 1/2, but greater than negative 1/2. So let's go ahead and add, let's take away the absolute value signs here. Sorry about that. All right, add 1 to everything. So you get 1/2 is less than x is less than 3/2. All right, because we're just adding 1 to everything. So the interval of convergence is 1/2, 3/2. So that's your interval of convergence. And your series converges absolutely on 1/2, 3/2. There is no conditional convergence. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.